So I'm just going to delete this stuff because I've already done the hard work building my site. And it's not hard per se, but I've done the actual work, the labor, got that part done. This section, once again, it's just literally 3 columns, and it looks like a lot more because these are just images stacked on top, right? So they're stacked and they're moving, so it looks really good, okay? This is an image. There's no text here. This is an image. This is an image. These are images, okay? This section here, title, once again, you guys already know how to do that. This is an image, text, and once again, same thing. This is an icon section. You could see here we haven't added text, so I'll show you how to add the text. So, for example, 30 cents cost per day. I'll click on this, right? Copy. Go to my AI, right? Click on the part that I want written, right? I'll highlight what I want written. You don't have to highlight, but I'll hit generate text and I'll paste this. 30 cents cost per day for the fitness coaching workout program. Just like that. I'll hit submit. But before I do, it's just a habit. I like to copy this because just in case if it doesn't go through or I click something else, I can make sure it produces. But there we go. So this is a written text. I could do the same thing here. So I could type in ease of use. So I'll take this, highlight it, and I'll type in ease of use, and easy access to personal training content in our fitness coaching program, just like that. Okay, and I'll hit submit. Sometimes we don't know what content to write on our site. It's all done for us. So I'll hit save. So this text is saved. So if we read it, it says our fitness coaching programs offers an exceptional user experience with seamless navigation and convenient access to our personalized training content. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, our platform is designed to cater to your needs with an easy-to-follow instructions and resources. Stay motivated and achieve your fitness goals with our program's user-friendly interface and comprehensive training materials. Perfect. I could not have write that any better. That's why the AI is so beneficial. All right. So same thing. I'll go here, copy this, right? Select here, highlight this, and hit generate text. Paste this here. And let me fix my spelling real quick. Schedule. Yeah, I got to fix that. But then I'll go here for our fitness coaching program. And I want to state as well, the spelling doesn't really matter because the AI understands what I'm trying to say, and it will write that for me in a proper way. Okay? So I could go over here. I could click the AI and click improve, and it will find a way to improve it for me. So scheduled daily workout routine already. I'll just remove the word already. Routine set, already set, excuse me. So already set, all right? And then what I'm going to do is I'll make this capital, all capital case. So in order for me to do that, I'll just type this stuff in here, right? We have headers. There's so many things you could do. Remove font style, linking, text link, text color. But anyways, right? So I'll just retype certain parts of this, and that's just part of the game, right? So I'll do that in my free time, and it will get fixed. Same thing here, pre-built workout plans. Okay, so I'll highlight. First of all, I got to fix that back to what it was. So let me go here and hit undo. Okay, and this I'll highlight. Go over here to the AI, generate text, paste, and I'll write for our fitness coaching program to provide optimal training intensity, right? So I'll go over here, I'll hit submit, all right? And it will go out there, it will create it for me. So there you go, perfect. All right, I'll scroll down now. Now what was next? This section here is just an image, okay? And it's my way of showcasing another aspect of the product that the customer is getting. Here we have the headline, which is just, once again, text, and then the background. In order to change the background, you just go to block, okay, and you select the file of the background you want. So this is, for example, here, different images. If I wanted this to be my background, I could select this one, for example. Now, I personally don't, but that's an example, right? I think this personally doesn't look clean if it looks like this. I mean, you could do it. To me, it's not something of interest, in my opinion. I like how it all flows together in terms of the colors. So I'll go over here to my where is it here? My brand images, I believe. No, not my brand images. My other folder. Okay, I'll select here, and there we go. Okay, so there it is. All right, and once again, this is why it's important to, at least in my opinion, you guys could do what you want, but set up folders so it's easy for you to go to the right place where you're placing your images. This section here doesn't have a background. I'll just make this fully white. So I'll go to playground, or it's not playground, background, and I'll make it fully white, just like that. Okay, so image, text, logo, image, whatever, right? Super basic. Image here, boom, background. This section is just literally a bunch of icon sections here, okay, with text. If you guys wanted to do stuff like countdown timers, you could do that as well. You know, there's nothing stopping you. You have text, buttons, heading, container, icon section, progress bar, okay, spacer, accordion, separator, form, booking, membership login, quiz survey, checkout, store, donation, order summary, gallery, slider, social media, video, audio, blog, code, countdown for the countdown timer, portfolio, map, embed, search. There's so much you can do here, okay? And then here, finally, image, content, order button. That's it. It's super, super simple. Frequently asked questions. To do this, frequently asked questions, you hit the plus. You go to the accordion, wherever it was here. Let me see here. Accordion, boom. You drag it, drop it. Okay, I don't need it, so I'm not going to click on it, but you get here what you could do. So you have your settings, you have your tab name, and then the content within the tab. All right, and the AI can create the content within the tab as well. So it's that simple. All right, so now that this is the sales page and this is created, let's go over here to the home page, and now let's finally set up a blog. Okay, so let me show you how to set up a blog. So I'm going to put my blog right here. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to pages, and if you don't have a blog section right here, guys, you're going to click add new, and you're going to find the blog here. Okay, and you're going to click on it. In my case, I'm already using it, so it's not going to be here. You can't add more than one blog sector, okay? But I can have more than one blog post, obviously. That's why I have this section here. Anytime I want to add a blog post, I click add post, title, content, category, okay, and then you hit update. I can't hit update right now because I need to add a category. So before you even start writing the content, you go in, you add the category that you want. Sometimes you have categories. So for example, I have fitness as a category. You set up your own categories by literally just starting to write the category of your blog post. Okay, and then here we have 3 blogs. So each of these blogs I already created an image for. So you could see here this image of this guy that looks shirtless. If I click here, boom, that's the image, all right? And then here would go the content. You could set up the content with the power of AI. So you literally just click, AI, generate text, write the text, write your own text in there as well. We'll have a separate segment in the future on creating the blog, but literally this whole entire channel, the Cash Cow Niche Sites channel, has content on blogging. We have paid courses. We have free videos. I even have a guide on... let me just whip it out here. Cash Cow Niche Sites.